In this video, you will learn how to combine name in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here first column contain first name, while second column contain the last name, and I have combined both these columns in column C, which contain the full names. In previous video, you have learned how to separate names in Microsoft Excel, and in this video, you will learn how to combine first name and last name in Microsoft Excel. So let's start this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. Firstly, select that cell where you want to display the result. I will select this one. After selecting this cell, go to FX function. Click here, which is the insert function. When you click on it, a dialog box will be appear like this one. Now from here I will select all categories, and from search I will search concatenate function. Click on go, and here is the concatenate function. Select this one and press OK. Now I will place it here. Currently you can see here only two text boxes appeared here, but if you click on this last text box, then Excel will automatically insert next text box, and you can insert up to 225 text box in Microsoft Excel. So firstly, click on this text number 1. I will place it here. Click here and select first name. Now you can see here Maria is selected here. Now click on text 2. I will click here, and I am interested to insert space between these two names. So I will press space button. After inserting space, click on text 3. Now if you see the text 2, you can see here the quotation marks are inserted. It means that you have inserted space between these two words. Now in text 3, select last name. I will select this one, and here you can see here that what is selected here, and here is the preview of formula result. You can see here this is the first name, space, and last name. You can follow similar procedure to combine 3, 4, 5 or multiple columns. This procedure is applicable to all of that. So currently we have only two names, so we have combined this one. After doing that, click on OK. And you can see here that the Microsoft Excel has combined first name and last name into one column. If you are interested to apply this formula on remaining rows, there is no need to apply this formula on individual cell. Simply select this cell and place your cursor at the corner. When plus sign appears, drag it down for remaining rows, and Excel will combine first name and last name in full names. Secondly, you can't make change in output cell. For example, if I want to make change in it, then the formula will be appear like this one. If you want to make change in this one, you have to make changes in source cells. For example, if I change its spelling A instead of E, press enter, then you can see here its spelling is changed now. So if you want to make changes in resultant cells, you have to make change in source cell instead of this one. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.